we divide 163 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 3 and it is 13. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 3. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 163 divided by 5 is 32.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.